What if I told you there's an SUV on the planet right now that goes 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds, travels over 1,300 kilometers on a single tank and charge, seats 6 people in absolute luxury, has a drone built into the roof, and costs less than a base Range Rover? You'd probably tell me I'm lying, but I'm not, because this is the 2026 BYD Denza N9. And after today, nothing else is going to feel good enough. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe right now, because we cover the cars that are changing the world, not just the ones that dominate the dealerships. And today, we are going deep into one of the most audacious luxury SUVs ever built. A machine that has Porsche-level speed, Range Rover-level comfort, and a technology suite that makes a Mercedes look like it's stuck in 2018. This is not a car review. This is a moment. Let's go. Let's talk about what you see first, because the Denza N9 does not walk into a room. It commands it. At 5.2 meters long, 2 meters wide, this thing is enormous. It stretches longer than a Land Cruiser, wider than an X7, and it wears that size like a tailored suit. The front end is pure drama. A full-width LED light strip cuts across the face like a glowing blade, flanked by piercing adaptive matrix headlights with 108 individual zones that adjust automatically in the dark. It sees the road before you do. From the side, clean sculpted lines flow from nose to tail without a single wasted crease. Hidden flush door handles. Massive multi-spoke wheels pushing outward. A silhouette that looks fast even when it's standing still. And at the rear, those continuous taillights echo the front perfectly, giving it a symmetry that feels engineered and artistic at the same time. New for 2026, Denza added a stunning green-silver two-tone color option that looks like something out of a science fiction film. This is not a car you park, this is a car you present. But you haven't seen anything yet, because when those doors open, your jaw is going to hit the floor. Step inside the Denza N9 and forget every luxury cabin you've ever sat in. This is what they call a mobile lounge, and that term has never been more accurate. The interior wraps you in warm brown Napa leather with natural light ash wood trim across the dashboard and doors. It's warm, it's quiet, it feels handcrafted, and then the screens hit you. A 13.2-inch digital instrument cluster, a 17.3-inch central touchscreen, a 13.2-inch passenger display, and overhead, a 17.3-inch ceiling-mounted 2.5K screen for rear passengers, paired with a mind-bending 50-inch augmented reality heads-up display that projects navigation information onto your entire field of view. You don't look down at a screen. The screen comes to you. The front passenger seat reclines into what Denza calls a zero-gravity position, fully flat, heated, ventilated, and offering a 10-point massage. There's also a built-in fridge, fold-out tray tables, rear independent climate zones, and a Devialet panoramic sound system with retractable speakers and full Dolby Atmos support that turns the cabin into a private concert hall. The Denza N9 doesn't just carry passengers, it pampers them. Now let's talk about what lives under that hood, because this is where the Denza N9 stops being impressive and starts being absolutely terrifying. The powertrain is BYD's latest E3 tri-motor plug-in hybrid system, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an extraordinary 44% thermal efficiency, working alongside 3 electric motors for a combined system output of 680 kilowatts. That is 912 horsepower. In a 6-seat family SUV, 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. That is Porsche Cayenne turbo territory. But unlike that Porsche, this thing also returns an electric-only range of up to 230 kilometers on a full charge. And when you combine the full battery with a full tank of fuel, the total range hits 1,330 kilometers. You could drive from London to Edinburgh and back without stopping for fuel. You could drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco twice. This is a machine designed for people who want the best of both worlds and refuse to compromise on either. And the technology doesn't stop at the powertrain. The Denza N9 comes equipped with BYD's God's IP Advanced Driver Assistance System. And this is not your average cruise control. The hardware stack includes a roof-mounted LiDAR unit, 5mm wave radars, 12 cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors, all processing through an NVIDIA Orin X chip, delivering 254 TOPS of computing power. The system supports city navigation on autopilot, mapless, end-to-end intelligent driving through urban environments. It reads traffic lights. It handles intersections. It navigates roundabouts. And the Union A intelligent air suspension continuously reads the road surface in real time, adjusting every corner of the car independently so that what the wheels feel, you never do. In safety testing, the N9 passed the fishhook emergency avoidance test at 180 km per hour without rolling over. The body structure uses 2,000 megapascal ultra-high-strength steel in quad-layer A pillars, with 9 airbags deployed across the cabin. And because BYD apparently wasn't done impressing you, there is also an optional built-in DJI drone. You press a button, a drone launches from the roof of your car. It follows you, films you, and returns automatically. That is not a feature. That is science fiction made real. Behind the wheel, the Denza N9 feels impossibly composed for its size. The intelligent air suspension soaks up road imperfections before they reach the cabin. The steering is precise without being heavy. The throttle response from the tri-motor system is instant and breathtaking. When you put your foot down, the acceleration hits with the kind of force that pins you into that Napa leather seat and makes everyone in the back go quiet. Rear-wheel dual-motor independent steering gives the car genuine agility, tightening the turning circle and making it feel smaller than its 5.2-meter body suggests. In pure electric mode, it glides silently through the city. On the motorway, the hybrid system works seamlessly, the transition between electric and petrol power so smooth you'll only notice it on the fuel gauge, barely moving. Now, what are the pros and cons? The pros are extraordinary. Unmatched range of 1,330 kilometers. Supercar-level acceleration. A cabin that rivals the finest private jets. God's eye autonomous driving capability. A drone. A Devialet Dolby Atmos sound system, a 50-inch AR heads-up display, and a starting price of just $54,000. The cons? Availability is currently limited primarily to China and select Asian markets, so international buyers will need to be patient. The sheer size will intimidate some city drivers. And for those in markets without BYD infrastructure, charging and servicing access will matter. Speaking of price, $54,000 to $62,500 for the full range. Now compare that to the Land Rover Defender 130 at $75,000, the BMW X7 at $80,000, the Cadillac Escalade at $85,000, or the Range Rover at over $100,000. The Denza N9 doesn't just compete with those cars. It embarrasses them on technology, range, performance, and interior luxury at a fraction of the price. Its closest Chinese rivals are the Li Auto L9 and the Ado M8, both strong family SUVs. But neither can match the N9's tri-motor firepower, its drone package, or that extraordinary 50-inch AR heads-up display. BYD has priced this car to win, and it is winning. Over 20,000 units sold in less than a year since launch. So here is the final verdict. The 2026 BYD Denza N9 is not just the best value luxury SUV in the world right now. It is a statement about where the automotive industry is going and who is leading it. It is fast enough to embarrass a Porsche, comfortable enough to rival a Rolls-Royce, smart enough to drive itself through a city, and practical enough to travel over 1,000 kilometers on one fill. It is the kind of car that changes how you think about what a car can be. And if the traditional luxury brands are not paying close attention, they should be, because BYD is not catching up. BYD has arrived. If this video gave you the full picture of the 2026 Denza N9, smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel more than you know. Drop a comment below. Does this car make you rethink Chinese luxury? Subscribe if you haven't already, because we are covering the most exciting cars on the planet right now. And share this with someone who still thinks luxury has to cost 6 figures. Because it doesn't. Not anymore.